Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the Nepali names for food taste. I will first identify the taste with its English name. Then I will pronounce the Nepali name 3 times. Repeat after me and surprise your parents and grandparents. Let's begin.
Flavorful.
Swadilo, swadilo, swadilo.
Tasty.
Mito, mito, mito.
Sweet.
Gulio, gulio, gulio.
Juicy.
Rasilo, rasilo, rasilo.
Tart.
Tarro, tarro, tarro.
Bitter.
Tito, tito, tito.
Sour.
Amilo, amilo, amilo.
Hot.
Piro, piro, piro.
Salty.
Nunilo, nunilo, nunilo.
Bland.
Kallo, kallo, kallo.
Spicy.
Masaladar, masaladar, masaladar.
Oily.
Chillo, chillo, chillo.
Food condition. Fresh.
Taja, taja, taja.
Stale.
Basi, basi, basi.
Rotten.
Sodeko, sodeko, sodeko.
Raw.
Cacho, cacho, cacho.
Ripe.
Paqueco, paqueco, paqueco.
Cold.
Chiso, chiso, chiso.
Hot.
Tato, tato, tato. This concludes our presentation. Thank you and see you again for the next presentation.